I'm just going to break this in half. Look how moist, and look at that peanut butter. Oh my God.
Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making homemade peanut butter cookies. So stay tuned and let's tackle. In a bowl, we're going to put all our dry mix first before we do our wet. For these cookies, I'm going to be making about 12 cookies. So I'm going to be using 1 cup of flour for these cookies. Baking soda, I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla powder. And all my dry ingredients, you're going to get a whisk and you're going to mix it up very well. Okay, in this bowl, I have 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter that has sitting out and gotten softened. I'm going to whisk this smoothly. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, so I'm going to put it in my 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Okay, after I got this nice and beat it and smooth, I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to scrape the sides because I'm going to need all that butter and all that sugar to come together in one lump at the bottom of this bowl and have everything together. Okay, now I'm going to add my white sugar, and don't forget it's white sugar. It's 1/3 cup of white sugar. Okay, after we got through mixing up our butter, our brown sugar, and our white sugar, we're going to make sure we scrape the sides off the bowl. Now what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to add 1 whole tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. Make sure all this gets combined slowly. All right, now we have 1 large egg that's already been cracked and put into a bowl. Anyway, we're going to stick that down in there. And I'm using this to get all my egg drippings. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, a couple of more twists and making sure that all this is whisked in to make sure all that. We're going to take our dry mix and we're going to put 1/2 of it in. Okay, after I put the peanut butter and I folded that in, then I put the dry flour mix in. I folded this in and now I'm scraping off the sides and make sure I don't leave anything out. With 1/2 cup of peanut butter morsels. There we go. We're going to dump those in there. We're going to spread them around, make sure they get in there even. We're going to fold these all in. That's just an extra peanut butter. I'm talking about this is an explosion of peanut butter cookies when you eat these. Okay, so this is my delicious peanut butter cookie. I'm going to put it into a bowl and we're going to place this in the refrigerator and let it sit and get in all those flavors that we needed to get in. Maybe a good hour in the refrigerator to let all the flavors set in. Okay, guys, I let my cookies set in here in the refrigerator for over an hour or 30 minutes, or you can do a whole day, the next day. The next day would be great, and then I let it sit out so it can get nice and soft. So I'm going to take my scooper, because after you let it sit in the refrigerator, we're going to do about 4 of these. Okay, we got our peanut butter cookies on our cookie sheet. We're going to put this in the oven for 350 degrees. We're going to give a 10-minute timer. You want to look at your cookies because your oven can cook a little faster, it can cook a little slower. Make sure when you look at your cookies, make sure they're nice and golden brown. You know, a light golden brown, not dark golden brown, just a light. And they have the edges of the cookie will spread out and it'll be a nice golden brown around the edges. That's when you know they're going Okay, and my peanut butter cookies have cooled down. So since they're cooled down, we're going to take them and we're going to put them on a wonderful plate here. These are great looking cookies. Oh my God. And, hey guys, I just wanted to show you the nice golden brown, the back center. That's a good cookie. Okay, so let's try one of these cookies. I'm just going to break this in half. Look how moist, and look at that peanut butter. Oh my God. Believe me, this is a wonderful, wonderful cookie, and it's so delicious. So here it is, my homemade peanut butter cookies, Be Sure's way. Hey, I didn't make these cookies alone. You and me, we did this together, and we can make plenty more cookies, plenty more dishes. All you got to do is come back and see me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this recipe, you'll like all my other recipes. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.